Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting your laptop or phone to the Airtel Wi-Fi. Ethernet is better for reliability. Once connected, open network details and note the gateway IP, usually 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 0, 1. This is the router address. Then open a browser and navigate to that IP. When the login page appears, enter the admin username and password printed on the router or from Airtel Docs. Do this now so you can access the router. Once logged in, you need to find the right menu. Make sure to look under Administration, System Tools, or Advanced depending on the firmware. Next, open the Connected Devices or DHCP client list to map device names to IP and MAC addresses. This helps identify who did what. After mapping, open Traffic Monitor, Access Logs, or DNS logs. These sections show visited domains, timestamps, and sometimes full URLs. Take screenshots or export logs if the router offers an export feature for later review. You finish by filtering the log entries for the target device IP or the date range you care about. This narrows results quickly. Once filtered, export the logs or take clear screenshots and save them as CSV or text for analysis or proof. If you see no history, make sure logging is enabled in Settings and consider updating firmware because older builds may not record traffic. If problems continue, consider installing a router with better monitoring or use a network sniffer behind the router as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.